before the universe had stars, before planets formed, before time began to count itself. There was awareness, not matter, not energy, but the ability to experience. What if consciousness is not something you have, but something you are? What if the universe did not create consciousness, but consciousness created the universe? Most of us were taught that consciousness lives inside the brain, that thoughts come from neurons, and awareness is just brain activity. But think about this: you can observe your thoughts. You can notice your emotions. You can watch your mind wander. So if thoughts are being observed, who is the observer? The brain processes information. The mind creates ideas and stories. But consciousness is the silent awareness behind all of it. The brain may shape experience, but that does not mean it creates it. Science still struggles here. There is something called the hard problem of consciousness. It asks a simple question: why does matter feel like anything at all? No equation explains what it feels like to exist. No scan can locate the sense of I am. That is why even scientists admit we don't yet understand consciousness. In quantum physics, something interesting appears. Particles behave differently when they are observed. Reality seems to respond to measurement. This does not mean the mind controls the universe, but it suggests something important. Consciousness is not separate from reality. It is part of how reality is experienced. Your focus shapes your experience. Your inner state affects how the world appears to you. Now think about who you believe you are: your name, your body, your memories. All of these change. You were once a child. Your thoughts today are not the same as yesterday, yet something has remained constant. The one that has been watching your entire life, that watcher is consciousness. The ego is the idea you have of yourself. It helps you survive. It gives you identity, but it is not your true self. Your true self is the awareness behind the identity. This is what people mean by awakening. They don't gain something new. They stop identifying with the mind. Many people report deeper states of awareness in meditation, near-death experiences, or moments of complete stillness. They often describe the same things: peace, timelessness, a sense of unity. This raises an important question. If consciousness is created by the brain, why does awareness sometimes continue when brain activity is reduced? What if the brain does not create consciousness, but limits it? What if death is not the end of awareness, but the removal of the filter? So why enter a body at all? Why forget a wider awareness and experience life through limitation? Perhaps the answer is simple: to experience. Without contrast, there is no story. Without limitation, there is no growth. By becoming human, consciousness experiences fear and love, loss and meaning, confusion and understanding. Life becomes a journey of remembering. You are not a body that has consciousness. You are consciousness experiencing a body. Thoughts appear within you. Time moves within you. The world is experienced within you. And when you realize this, life stops being something that happens to you and becomes something you experience consciously.